How to remove underline while typing on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove underline while typing Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch any messaging app. Let me open Notes, and here you can easily see your keyboard. Simply you need to select the gear icon of this keyboard to get access to the settings of your keyboard. Now you need to scroll down and from the settings section of keyboard tap on text correction. Now you need to scroll down and search for spell check option, which is under spelling and grammar. Currently it has been toggled the button on, which means it will mark misspelled words with red underline if any words are misspelled. So if you want to remove underline while typing on Android, simply toggle the button off, and now it won't mark misspelled words with red underline, and it will successfully remove underline while typing on Android. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.